with these, yeah. Got these at Dick's, just Dick's Sporting Goods store. They were running out of these, so got two of them. They're called Quest 3-legged oversized stool. They got, my better half's cutting the tag here.
Yes.
It's got a little carrying,
Yes.
the little carrying arm here.
Yes.
So you can put it over your shoulder, it expands,
Yes.
or at least carry it like this.
Yes.
So there's one here.
Yeah, mosquito.
Should open this.
Yes. So I sit down.
We'll try this.
Yes.
There's the black.
Yes.
These are good for little functions, go camping. You go watch people play sports somewhere. Got a black and blue.
Oh my God.
Over at Dick's Sporting Goods, it was a pretty good price.
And then they have the thing. Oh yeah, this is a no.
So they come out. They got the instructions here.
You can watch a movie,
Yeah.
a football.
It's got just,
Cool. Where did
since
you
it's
get
a
it?
product review, I got these at Dick's Sporting Goods. But number one, it just tells you maximum of 225 pounds.
And how many you?
Not that much. 102 kilograms. So 102 kilograms or 225 pounds is the max. It says don't tip chair while seated. All three legs should remain on the ground. Do not stand. It fits here.
I'll be careful.
It's good. But you could be careful.
Yeah?
Yeah, look.
All right.
So these, they feel pretty comfortable. But it says don't drag on the floor, so like don't move like this trying to go somewhere. If go and get up,
Just up.
put it up.
There's-
3-legged stools,
Yeah.
fold real easy.
And snap.
Got the strap. They'll come back around with Velcro
Drop.
to put it up.
Mosquito bite me is good. I got the mosquito thing here.
So you just put the strap back like this.
And my thing is good. Wow, I like it.
Right there. And then again, it's got the strap to carry. Maximum weight 225 pounds. So just something I saw at Dick's Sporting Goods. They were running out. There were only about 10 left.
Yes.
So they had blue, black. They had white, like the cream white.
Ready for cowboys.
But that was broken. I thought I was gonna get that, but could kind of be cowboy colors. But other than that, just a quick product review of these seats. They're Quest
It's 7 o'clock already.
Quest 3-legged seat. If you like this little product review video, the seat here where you can sit down. If you like this little product review video, go on like, share, subscribe. Have a good day. Adios.